everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Lydia and I have a couple of things I need to get cleaned up today. You can see a little bit of the mess behind me here. I've got some dishes to clean up. I was away this morning, so I have some catching up to do and I need to get some laundry started, and I'm going to make soup for supper, and we're also out of bread, so I need to make bread. And I had chosen today as the day when I wanted to get my pantry all cleaned out and reorganized. So we'll see how well I can multitask. I hope this is motivating for you, and I encourage you and I welcome you to come along with me. So let's go. First things first is the bread, because it needs so much time to rise. Once it's all mixed up, it can go in the oven with the oven light on, and we'll see how much we get done in the meantime. On to cleaning the pantry. Here's a close-up of what it looks like. If you'd like to see how it turned out, I will link that video in the description box below. Okie dokie, then it's on to the laundry. Now that it's all hung up and I can see there's still a lot of room left on the line, I'll start another load.
back to the bread again. It has risen beautifully and is ready to be shaped into loaves. The loaves can rise in the oven as well. Alrighty, so supper is done and the dishwasher is done again too. A very sweet neighbor decided to surprise us and stop by with a casserole. I had told her the week before that we've been experimenting with trying new foods. We try to expand our horizons, one of them being eggplant. Her casserole was delicious. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video, hit the thumbs up if you liked what you saw, and if you want to see how the bread turned out, I'll link that video in the description box as well. Thanks again for joining me. I hope you've been inspired in one way or another, and I'll catch you next time.